Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the aspect ratio of your videos in CapCut PC. You can change for the aspect ratio. So you add the element, so you add the clip to the track. You can find the ratio option just um, at the bottom from the preview panel. Just click on it. So this is the original ratio, and you can change for sorry you can change for the aspect ratio, for example, for the 46 into 9, you can resize, merge it, the clip. And I think this for YouTube content. So for other example, this is 5.8 inch. This is for TikTok content, and you can resize and merge it. This, and this is for the Instagram page. You can resize. So yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.